Hey guys, welcome to SkippyTube channel. Today I want to tell you about this issue. This is the iPhone 11 and not turning on. The first is connected to USB tester, and USB tester showing the 380 milliamps and down to the 0, and phone is not turning on. And this phone, iPhone 12, and stuck on the 0% and showing the 0% remaining and phone not charging. I want to tell you about this experience because have a lot of like this issue around a few weeks. Just I want to tell you very easy solution about this issue. Before doing anything, hardware repair or remove the motherboards, need be measuring the battery voltage. And this video you can see by multimeter check the battery voltage, but this phone have an impossible voltage on the battery. You can see voltage around the 2.8 volts. 2.8 volts and phone is on but stuck on the 0%. I think Apple company, they wanted improve the battery consumption, but previous updates affected to the VRX circuit, and phone have like this issue with low voltage turning on but stuck on the 0%. This is a very simple solution. If you see like 0% issue, or first of the video I show you on the USB tester, phone is showing the amps and down to the 0, need be measuring the measuring the battery voltage. If it's have a battery have a low voltage, need be recharging by DC power supply and bring up the voltage to the normal voltage around the 3.8 volts. That means this is the node. The first need be check the battery voltage. If it's less than 3.6 volts, need be recharging the battery with DC power supply, and after that check if phone is charging or not. This one is after recharging by DC power supply back to the normal and start to charging. The first is showing the 1%, and after a few minutes goes to the 3% and solve the issue. But next step need we check the battery health. If his battery has less than 80% or showing the service, that's time need be replaced and put the new battery. That's it. Just I want to share with you this is experience, and this is the easy solution to fix this one. I hope this video helped to you. Thank you for watching and awaiting your suggestion, and see you next video.